Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, this is our chapter 4 of GRE Quant section, that is an algebra. So now we'll move on to the content. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming videos. And if you want to see the previous video, please check our description part where we'll share the previous all 3 chapters of GRE Quant. Now move on to the question. So here is our first question, that is x square minus 2x equal to 0. So for quantity A we have to find out the x value, and for quantity B 2 is given here. So from given above equation we find out the x value, that is x square minus 2x is equal to 0. So by taking the x common, that will become x minus 2 is equal to 0. So there will be two values, that is x equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0, that become x equal to 2. So for first condition, when x equal to 0, quantity B will be greater, and when x equal to 2, then both quantity are equal. So there is no relationship determined between the quantity A and B, and that's why we choose the option D. Our next question is, if x is not equal to 2.5 and 2x equal to modulus of 15 minus 4x, then we have to find out the x value. Then we have to solve this equation, that is 2x is equal to, in modulus form it always contains the two values, that is positive or negative. So first we will consider the positive value, that is 2x equal to 15 minus 4x, or we can make 2x equal to minus bracket 15 minus 4x. So solve it, that will become 6x equal to 15 and x equal to 2.5. But in question is already given that x is not equal to 2.5, so this is not our choice. Now solve the second one. 2x will be minus 15 plus 4x, and that will be 4x minus 2x is equal to 15, that become 2x equal to 15 and x is equal to 7.5. So answer is last option. Here is our next question. Quantity A is given, d bracket d square minus 2d plus 1, and for quantity B, d bracket d square minus 2d bracket close plus 1. So see, analyze it here. So after removing the bracket, the equation will be d cube minus 2d square plus d, and here it become d3 minus 2d square plus 1. So d cube and 2d square, d cube and minus 2d square both are common for both sides, that's why we eliminate it. The value will remain d and 1, but we don't know the d value, right? It will be 0, 1 or other values. If it is 0, then quantity B is greater, and it will be 1, then it will equal to the quantity B. So the relationship cannot be determined between quantity A and B, and that's why we choose the option D. So here is our next question. If AK minus B is equal to C minus DK, then we have to find out the K value. So solve this equation, we will get the K value here. AK minus B is equal to C minus DK. So make K values at one side and remaining for other, AK plus DK, so that we'll take the K common, that will become C plus B, right? When K common, it will become A plus D, that will be C plus B, and K is equal to C plus B divided by A plus D. So our answer choice is last option. So here is our next question. If xy is not equal to 0 and x is not equal to minus y, we have to analyze this equation. X power 36 minus y power 36 whole divided by bracket x 18 plus y 18 bracket, then bracket open x 9 plus y 9. So what will be the value of this? See here, it is in minus form, so make it a square minus b square form. X power 18 whole square minus y power 18 whole square. So first we will analyze the numerator only and convert it into a square minus b square form. That will be a plus b and a minus b. X power 18 plus y power 18, then x power 18 minus y power 18. So again it is in negative form, so we can make it a square minus b square form again. So analyze it. X power 9 whole square minus y 9 whole square. That will become x9 plus y9 and x9 minus y9. So denominators are x power 18 plus y power 18 and x power 9 plus y power 9. So these two values easily eliminate each other, and also x power 9 plus y power 9. So remaining value will be x9 minus y9, and our answer choice will become option C. So here is our next question. Which of the following inequalities is equivalent to 12 minus 3x is less than minus 18? So we'll solve this one first. 12 minus 3x is less than minus 18. So first subtract 12 on both sides. 12 minus 3x minus 12 less than minus 18 minus 12. So 12 is eliminated, it will become minus 3x, and both is added, that will become minus 30. So we have to eliminate the negative sign. So while removing the negative sign, the inequality sign will be changed. So 3x is greater than 30, because here is also negative sign, here is also, so we'll eliminate and the inequality sign will be changed. So now we'll divide both sides with 3. So the x is greater than 10. That will be our answer, option first. Here is our next question. If a is equal to x plus y whole square and b is equal to x square plus y square and xy is greater than 0, which of the following must be true? We have to be careful about must be. That means in each condition it should be true. So see here, a is equal to x plus y whole square, and that will become x square plus 2xy plus y square, and b is equal to x square plus y square. See, on a and b, x square y square are common, but on a there is a plus 2xy, and in question xy is greater than 0, then xy is positive value and a is obviously gonna be greater than b. So second choice will be true, and see other, a is equal to b. That's not possible, right? Because a is greater than b, that's why it's not our choice. See our third option, a is positive. That's gonna be true because a is whole square of x plus y. So x plus y, whatever the value, it is negative or positive, the square of that always make it is positive. So a is always positive value. So third is our also option. So answer choice is second option and third option. So our next question is, if x square minus y square equal to 12 and x minus y is equal to 4, then we have to find out the x value. So from first equation, x square minus y square equal to 12. So x square minus y square become x plus y and x minus y is equal to 12. X minus y is already given, that is 4 value. So x plus y into 4 is equal to 12. That's why x plus y will be 3. So here is our equation, and x minus y is equal to 4, our second equation. When we solve this, y gonna be cancelled and x become 2x, and that will become 7. So x will be 7 by 2, and that will be answer 3.5. Our answer is third option. So here is our next question. If x is a positive integer and x plus 2 is divisible by 10, then what is the remainder when x square plus 4x plus 9 is divided by 10? So see here, x plus 2 is divisible by 10. So let's consider x plus 2 is equal to 10. If it is divisible by 10, then we can consider that x plus 2 is 10. So the x become 8 value. So now in equation, this x square plus 4x plus 9 is equal to 8 square plus 4 into 8 plus 9 will be 105 value. So now 105 is divided by 10, then remainder will be, then 10 times 10 will be 100 and remainder will be 5. So our answer choice is third option. This is our next question. If x plus 2 is equal to x plus 11 divided by x plus 3, then x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to, we need to find this value. First analyze this equation. X plus 2 is equal to x plus 11 divided by x plus 3. So cross multiply it. That will become x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to x plus 11. That will be x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 3 to the 6 is equal to x plus 11. So that will become x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to x plus 11. Then x square plus 5x minus x plus 6 minus 11 is equal to 0. So see here, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. So our answer will be 0. So here is our next question. If 2x minus 3y is equal to 6, then 6y minus 4x equal to what? So see here, first this one, 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. See here, y is first, then x is second. We have to interchange this, then take the minus common. Then 3y minus 2x is equal to 6. So 3y minus 2x is equal to minus 6 value. So when we multiply it by 2 on both sides, then it will become 6y minus 4x, then it will equal to minus 12. So our answer is minus 12 value, our first option. So here is our next question. If 0.25 plus x is equal to y and y by x is equal to 0.2, then y is equal to, so equation given here, 0.25 plus x is equal to y. So we have to find out the y value, right? So we need to find the value of x to put here. So from second equation we get the x value, y by x is equal to 0.2, then x is equal to 1 by 0.2 into y, or y by 0.2 value. So substitute this value in equation second. It will become 0.25 plus x will be y by 0.2 is equal to y. Then take common of 0.2, 0.25 into 0.2 plus y is equal to 0.2y. So this value become 0.05 plus y is equal to 0.2y. So make y on one side, 0.2y is equal to minus 0.05. So 0.8 y is equal to minus 0.05 and y is equal to minus 0.05 divided by 0.8. See here on answer choice it is given on a fraction form. So let's make it on a fraction form. When decimal point is removed, see here it is 2 place, that's why the 0 will be added here. So 5 by 80 minus, so it will become minus 1 by 16. So our answer choice is last option. So here is our question. If bracket 1 by x plus x whole square is equal to 16, then 1 by x square plus x square is equal to what? So we can easily see here it is in the form of a plus b whole square form. So we will open that formula here and see what will happen. 1 by plus x whole square, so that will be a plus b whole square, and the formula will be a square plus 2ab, 2a into b plus b square, right? So that will become 1 by x square plus, see here the x is eliminated, that will become 2 plus x square. See here we'll get the same term as required equation, so make it at one place. 1 by x square plus x square plus 2, which is equal to 16 value. So take to that side, so 1 by x square plus x square is equal to 14. So our answer is 14, that is third option. So here is our next question. If 8 power n plus 1 plus 8 power n equal to 36, then we have to find out the n value. First analyze this equation first. See here 8 power n plus 1 plus 8 power n equal to 36. See here 8n is common. So first we will make it easy to take common. 8 power n into 8, right? So it will make n plus 1 plus 8 power n is equal to 36. Then we'll take common 8 power n. Then remaining will be 8 plus 1 is equal to 36. Then 8 power n into 9 is equal to 36. 8 power n is equal to 36 by 9, that will become 4. So make it on 2 base so that it will be easy for to compare with the 4 value. So 2 power 3 whole power n is equal to 4 will be 2 power 2. So that will become implies 2 power 3 n is equal to 2 power 2. When base is same, then we can equivalent the power, so that will become 3n equal to 2. So n equal to 2 by 3. So see here our answer choice is fourth option. So guys, this is the end of our chapter 4th of algebra section, and if you want to say anything, please comment below down. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you will not miss any upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day, and thank you so much for watching our video.